Wait, do it again.
What?
Did you throw up?
No.
I'm recording it. She didn't do it that time. That one was Who's Your Mama? Come here. Say, what should she say?
Yall.
Yall. Say oink.
Oink.
Say helium.
Helium.
That one was low. Let's do a burp. Come here. Do a fart. Okay. Say your name.
Huh?
Say your name.
Oh, Baba.
Did she say Obama?
Your mama. That's what she said.
Your Baba.
Say Becca and Kimmy.
Becca and Kimmy.
She has to gather more air to do it. Say go to bed.
Go to bed.
Hey, girl. What's going on?
She woke up and we woke up and then she started burping. She said go to bed, do a burp. Do it again. Hold on.
This Christy has had no sleep for 3 nights, okay?